Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Got a 16 by 7 3 and an 8 by 7 3. These are Coachmen CD12s CG, excuse me, because I got the insulated window with the REC 13 window, and these are desert tan, and the customer was going to paint them but chose not to. And I think it looks great with the brick and everything. These turn out awesome. Once again, the Coachman for the win on the overlayment with the nice beveled overlayment. Okay. Nice wood grain. We're moving an opener from the big door to the little door. That's why the Genie keypad is getting ready to get ganked off of there. Okay. We have an 8550 on the big door. These doors are 2 inches thick. They got 3.5 inch bottom rubber, 14 gauge hardware. We're using, for this particular job, 11 ball roller, but on the top window you got to put the 13 ball zinc. Sorry, but the Clopay roller's not strong enough for that top section. It'll get destroyed in no time, and that's a fact. Plain and simple. I'll open it up and I'll show you the inside. Nothing too spectacular here, but I'm going to reuse the photo eyes because they're going to get the new eyes on the other door. And you can see the customer did a 007 toilet paper roller holder to block out the sun. I love that. That's awesome. I think I might even make that the thumbnail for this video. That's hysterical. I'm sorry. I'll go bring it over here to the other one. I'll show you. There's the other one. There's our 13 ball zinc roller, and the rest are all black. I will say this too with these Clopays, the 24 inch panel top insulated glass, they're top heavy, man. Plain and simple. The 8 by not as much so, but the bigger doors, I've made videos in the past and those top sections are heavy. Plain and simple. And we even put the 13 ball on the little door here. You can see the black inside the window. That's insulated. All 14 gauge. You can see we're using shims to get the sections to meet up nice. I got the side winder hinges now from Clopay that move side to side like this so that the sections stay lined up. Okay. Dual spring on the little door, dual spring on the big door. And I do like this. Clopay gave you the nice reinforced track on both of these doors. And they are a little bit heavier of a gauge, which I like as well. I think that's good. So those are all home runs here. I still do not like these little screws Clopay puts in. I can't stand that because when you go to service these doors and take that rubber out, those 2 screws kink the aluminum retainer, and it's a royal pain in the you-know-what to straighten it out and put bottom rubber in. It's just a flawed deal. I think it's so they stretch the rubber too, and it's just like, I don't see why Clopay is trying to save money on bottom rubber. They charge you an arm and a leg for these doors, and they can't even, you know, give out enough bottom rubber. That's just my opinion. It's been like that for years and years and years. I think it's a flawed deal from Clopay. The rest of their stuff is great, but I mean, what's another 1.5 inches of bottom rubber? I mean, come on, guys. You don't need to put that screw in there. It screws up the stinking retainer. I've been doing this 31 years, and it's, don't get me started on that. Anyway, CG12 REC 13 windows, 16 by 7.3 and 8 by 7.3. Desert tan. Awesome job. Hopefully the garbage truck meeting here will stop. Well, I guess not. They're all going to go commiserate with each other. So I'm going to have to talk loud at the end of the video here. Innovative garage door. For all your garage door needs, your Coachman's Desert Tan 7.3, 7.6, 7.9 Coachman's. We got them. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Drop a like, drop a comment, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thank you for watching our Clopay Coachmen Desert Tan 16 by 7.3 and 8 by 7.3 garage door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.